Before the opening bell, U.S. futures are rebounding after they took a breather yesterday following a recent strong run. Now, U.S. indices closed down on Tuesday, pressured by shares in utilities, food and staples retailing, as well as healthcare equipment and the services sectors. This all as 64% of S&P 500 constituents, they managed to trade lower or unchanged yesterday. So after the markets closed, Pfizer and BioNTech said data demonstrated that their COVID-19 vaccine was 95% effective, as companies plan to submit within days to the FDA for emergency use authorization. Moving on, shares of Apple announcing a reduction of fees charged to small businesses earning up to $1 million per year to 15% from 30% previously. And then Boeing also in the headlines, surging this morning after winning the U.S. FAA approval to resume 737 MAX flight. Separately, the stock was upgraded to outperform from neutral over at Baird. Taking a look at expectations today, we do have results due out for NVIDIA, Lowe's, as well as Target. While on the economic docket before the opening bell, we do have the release of the 11-13 MBA mortgage applications rate. And then we also have before the opening bell, the release of U.S. housing starts figures and U.S. building permits. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500, that's where we begin. That sees further advance, and that's in focus. The relative strength index, bullish and calls for further advance. Long positions above 3,600 are favored, with targets at 36.36 and 36.49 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq, that sees a period of consolidation in place. This while the Dow Jones intraday sees 30,000 in sight.